Hello everyone, welcome to physics class. Today we will study the chapter Gravitation. What is gravitation? Gravitation is attractive force that pulls the particle towards it. Okay? Here we can see two objects of mass m1 and m2 separated by the distance r. And we can see here force, it is attracting by force F. The both forces are equal. Now, what is the formula to calculate the force? F1 is equals to F2, that is equal to G into mass of first object into mass of second object by r square. What is r square? The distance between the two masses. It is the important formula, very important. Here, now we can see here that what is the mass of earth? These are the important values. This should be kept remembered. What is the radius of earth and gravitational constant? These are the important terms. This should be kept remember. Okay. Next. By using these three terms, we will calculate gravitation on the earth. What is gravitation on earth? It is 9.8 meter per second square. These are the constant terms we should remember. Now here we have one problem. Let us solve this. What is given? Mass of earth is 6 into 10 power 24 kg. And that of moon is 7.4 into 10 power 22 kg. Now distance between the moon and earth is given. What they said to calculate? Calculate the force exerted by earth on moon and gravitation constant is given. Now we will solve the problem. See here we have the solution. First we will write in the solution given data, that is mass of earth, mass of moon and the distance between them is d. We will write it and then we will use the formula here. See, we are converting this d from kilometers to meter. Meter is the standard distance. After converting this, we will use the formula. Here we have the formula. We have studied it early, the important formula. Now substitute the values. We know the value of G, we know M and D square. Substitute the terms and you will get the answer. So the force exerted by earth on the moon is 2.01 into 10 power 20 Newton. Now, who is this scientist? He is Sir Isaac Newton. He gave us the formula for gravitation. Next we will study what is free fall. Do you guys know what is free fall? The free fall means acceleration of gravity for an object on the earth's surface is equal to 9.8. If he throws a ball from here, it is called freely falling body because its acceleration will be equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This is found by Galileo. Now we will study what is mass and what is weight. See, here is a beautiful explanation. We are studying about the relation between mass and the weight. Mass is equal to weight by gravity. What is G here? G is gravity. It is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. If you want to calculate weight, you will multiply mass with gravity. Weight of mass of an object is the same in all the places. on the moon, Jupiter or earth, mass will be same, but weight differs. If gravity changes, weight will change. These are the relation between mass and weight. Mass and weight. Now we will study how it behaves on earth and moon. See here, two astronauts we can see here, one standing on the moon and another one standing on the earth. We can see here the masses are same. Yes, another example is given here. Here is a lady. See here, the masses are same, 5.56, 56. But the weight is changing because she is standing on earth and she is standing on moon. Now how to calculate we will learn in the next slides. Here is a question. An object of weight. Weight how much? 10 Newton. Weight is different. Keep remember, weight is different when measured on the surface of earth. What would be its weight when measured on the surface of moon? Understood the question? On earth it is given, on moon we have to find out. The formula to calculate this question is, here is the formula. You should remember this formula also. Weight of object on the moon is equal to 1/6 times the weight on the earth. Means on the moon weight is less and on the earth weight is more. If let us take an example, if an object of weight is 6 in moon, then what will be the weight? What will be the weight on the earth? It will be 36. Multiply by 6. By using this formula, we will get the answer. Right? Next. Here we have another question. An object is thrown vertically up and rises to the height 10 meters. Okay. We will draw it afterwards. An object is thrown vertically upward and rises to the height 10 meters. Calculate the velocity with which the object was thrown upward and time taken by the object to reach the highest point. Okay. Now we will see it. Let us draw here. An object is, consider it as an object. It is thrown to an height of 10 meter. It reaches its maximum and again it returns to the ground. Now we have to find what is the velocity and what is the time taken. Right, let us calculate it now. Here the answer is, I'll say that the distance traveled 10 meters. We know from here to here it was 10 meter. Final velocity 0 meter. Why? After reaching the maximum height, the velocity becomes 0 and the ball comes down. Acceleration of gravity, we know that acceleration of object, if we take, it is moving against the gravity, so it is negative 9.8 meter per second square. The first formula used is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. By this formula, substituting the value, we can solve the answer. We get here the answer, that is u, initial velocity. Another question to calculate the time. We will use the formula v is equals to u plus at. These are the formulas of previous chapter that should be kept remember. Always it will be useful. By using this formula, substituting these terms, we'll get the answer t is equals to 1.43 second. And this is the answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.